I'm Dianna Howell with the Howell Group at Keller Williams, and today we're going to talk about springing forward and some great tips to get your home ready for the spring. Gone are the cold days and heavy coats. We can now look forward to spring flowers, breezes, baseball, and daylight savings time. Even though that extra hour seems to bother our internal clocks, once our bodies get used to it, we have that extra hour to enjoy the great outdoors. Everyone likes to save money, and with daylight savings time, we get to save a little bit on our energy bills. Did you know the study shows that we use 0.5% less energy for each day of daylight savings? So that can add up to quite a bit. Homeowners can use daylight savings times twice a year to do their home maintenance. So here are 4 tips for you. Number 1, test those safety monitors in your home. So replace the batteries to your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, and any other devices that are battery operated in your home. Number 2, service the air conditioning unit and the furnace twice a year. So in the spring, we want to take care of the air conditioning unit. So have your technician come out and make sure everything is clean and ready to go. Go outside to your compressor and make sure it's clean of any debris that's collected throughout the winter. Number 3, check those air filters. Make sure you replace those on a regular basis. Number 4, drain your water heater, especially if you have hard water, because sediment collects at the bottom of the water heater. So you should drain it twice a year. These are just a few tips to help you get ready for spring. If you have any questions about getting your home ready for the market, please reach out. We would be happy to help you. If you just want an updated value of the home as we're seeing our equity increase every day in this market, just let us know and we'll be happy to provide that too. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm Dianna with the Howell Group at Keller Williams.